Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to wear Beats Flex earphones properly. This will be a full tutorial for comfort and style, so let's get right into the video. Now obviously this is not how you wear the headphones, okay? But logically I would like to think that some people probably would hang them like this when they're sort of walking around. But realistically, if you're not wearing them, you can just have them wrap around you like this and they actually magnetize together like that, okay? But to wear them is actually really straightforward and simplistic, okay? Now I do apologize, my glasses are broken, so you might see me adjust them quite often. I literally have them taped together, as you can see. I'm in the process of getting new ones, so I do apologize if I adjust them as I'm doing this video. Adjust them too often, I should say. So you're gonna look, and on one of these it's gonna say R for right, and on the other one it's gonna say L for left. The R obviously goes on your right side and the L goes on your left side. So hold them like this with the R on your right side and the L on your left side, just like that, okay? Bring them over your head, behind your neck like this, okay? Then you're gonna take each of the earbuds, of the earphones, and you're gonna place them in your ear, just like this. So take this right here, place it in your right ear like that, and take this, place it in your left ear like that. Now you'll notice that although these headphones don't have, these earphones I should call them, headphones, earphones, it's kind of the same thing, but they don't have active noise canceling features. It just blocks out a lot of the sound. So that's what they're gonna look like when they're in your ear over here. Now I'm gonna take them out of my ears just because it does block out a lot of the sound, so I'm having trouble even hearing myself how loud I'm speaking on the video. But you're gonna put those in your ears like that, and what that does, when you have those in your ears, I'm just gonna place them like this once again to sort of simulate them being in my ears. What that does is that allows these pieces right here to be accessible to you. And you have different functions and features on these pieces. So on this one over here, I'll take them off right now. I'll show you. On this one over here, which would be on the left side of my neck, we actually have the microphone and the volume toggle, which is this longer button over here, and also the charging port, which you don't need when you're wearing them, obviously. And then a multi-function button to play songs, pause songs, skip to the next songs, blah, 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 answer calls, blah, blah, blah. And on this one, which would be on the right side of my neck, you have the power button right over here, which is used to turn them on and off. So essentially, for the most part, you're using your left hand to control them. Your right hand is just to turn them on and off. And a really cool feature is that when you magnetize them together, it actually does something when you're listening to music. So why don't you go ahead and experiment and see what it does. I don't want to reveal the secret, but it's a really cool little feature. Yeah, but that's it. That is essentially how to wear the Beats Flex earphones properly. A full tutorial for comfort and style. It'll allow you to be comfortable and stylistic when you're wearing them, because you don't want to wear these the wrong way. You wear them like this, and they're hanging in front of your neck. You're going to look like people are going to wonder what you're doing. You don't want to wear them like this. You want to wear them the proper way. So I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.